want to record it? Or
Yeah, that's good to see what's back there.
That's what it looks like.
I did have a question about the washer. So I could show you on the tray there maybe something, and I had a question.
Sure.
And you'd say that's a full load there, or could
No, that's not full load.
that's not a full
Oh,
load?
really?
Okay.
Wow.
Because what we had heard before is if it can tumble from 11 to 5, that's
Yeah, that is good because at least you can get more heat
Yeah.
to go in there.
yeah.
But right now, to the unit, it's dry.
Right.
But you feel a little bit moist in there.
Right.
So that's why you put it to like a quick 40
Yeah, quick 40.
to let the heat.
So yeah, we said like one of the questions I wanted to ask you is like, for example, on the washer here, there's a setting. I think this allergen setting is 2 hours and 40 minutes. Is that right?
Yeah. Whatever time
okay.
they set it for.
All right,
that's right.
so all
It
right.
uses a lot of electricity then.
Then can I open this
No.
drawer here or no?
This drawer is for the dispenser.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you a question about this. So these lines here, that's the soap levels.
Yes, if you want to use a liquid soap.
So if we had a full load of laundry in here that would be full, which is less than we have, but we put a full load in there, then we should take it to the top line here.
That's the soap. You don't need that much. Otherwise, when the unit, if it detect too much soap,
How much should we be using?
at least I would say
Half?
yes.
Half.
That's what I
I
do.
would
Let's
say
go to the half line.
Yep. Half line would be like between 150
Yeah.
to 100.
Yeah. So go to the half. That's the
Yeah.
full load.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I've been doing.
That's good. Otherwise, when you use it, it's gonna. If you use too full,
Yeah.
it's gonna give you too much soap inside. And when the unit detect too much soap, it's gonna drain. Give it an error message telling you there's too much soap. in
Okay.
there.
Super.
Okay.
And then this detergent, just so we'll probably keep using it. Is
And
this
is it better to use a pod?
Yeah, this is the environment.
that
Yeah,
one?
this
That
is
one's
good.
okay, but don't use the
Is
pod.
it high H? HD.
I think so. I don't know.
Doesn't say HE on it.
HE there.
Yep, that's it.
So this one's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Good.
I was advised by a repair person to use the pods, but you can't cut it in half or anything.
Or did he say not use the pod?
I thought
think
it was
he's.
better to use the
Yeah,
liquid
it's better
and cut
to
it-
use liquid or powder.
and cut it in half.
Yeah, or powder. So liquid, the liquid you can measure,
Yeah.
Right.
and the powder too you can measure. But the pod, what I see is a lot of customers throw the pod in there. When it busted,
Yeah.
it gets. Let's say if you have a white clothes,
Yeah.
it gets
Clumpy on there.
Yeah,
It's ruined some of my clothes.
exactly. So the pod is not really good.
I've never used it on this
Yeah.
machine.
But
I
you
have-
would say quick 40 is for normal daily use, or which is the
You
best?
can use quick 40 for normal daily use.
Is it-
The quick 40, what it does is that it bypasses the sensor
Okay.
and it uses more heater.
Okay.
To dry
So
it the way you
that's
want
the
it.
highest amount of heat you can get.
No, time dry.
Time dry. Yeah.
Time dry, you can punch in all
Yeah.
the time.
Right.
It goes all the way up to 3 hours.
And would you say on a normal load, like an average load, what would be a normal drying time we should
I
expect?
can't tell.
It
'cause
depends on the
depends.
material and
Exactly.
What about like
the
towels?
size.
If we did a full
The
load,
towel,
full load of towels would
full
be.
load of towel, I would recommend to use time dry and punch in the time you want it because towels soak a lot of water. Even though it spins to get
Yeah.
most of the water
Right.
out, you could use time dry.
Yeah.
So you can punch in, let's say, I want 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And it dries.
Just let it
that-
go. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. Super.
That one it won't cut off because all these it will cut off when the sensor doesn't sense any more water,
Okay.
moisture in the clothes.
Yeah. Got it.
That's when it tells the unit that it's
Yeah.
dry.
And the sensor's right here, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the front sensor.
And we just clean that like once
Yeah,
a month.
once
or
a month
something
you
with
put like a
vinegar or something.
vinegar with a
Yeah.
microfiber cloth and wipe it
Okay.
off. Give it this piece.
Super.
Oh, okay, thank you.
All right.
So maybe the whole thing could have been avoided if they just installed it without putting those loops in the way they
Exactly.
did, huh?
Exactly
Okay.
that.
Well,
Wow.
I feel a lot better about.
Yeah, and then once in a while, this needed to be cleaned because
Yeah,
if it junk with a lot of lint, you're gonna get
Yeah,
a
like
DI.
once a month
we,
or something.
We clean it. I clean it about every 2 weeks.
That's good. Then yeah, you shouldn't worry about a DI.
Yeah.
You would see a DI, then I would know what's causing it. But
Okay.
That's the right way that it's supposed to be done.
Super.
Okay.
No problem running the washer and dryer at
No,
the
no,
same
no, no,
time.
no,
At
no,
the
no.
same time.
No, not at all.
We
Okay.
stopped doing that because we thought the water was building up or something.
No, 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 no.
And space-wise, it fits and
We
everything's
tried
good.
everything.
No.
Yeah, we were
You
just
can
trying.
run at the same time while you're running this. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah. Okay. Super.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my heavens.
Great.
I
Well, that's a big
just-
relief.
This is one of the best days of my life.
That's good.
You're really good.
Yes, you are great. Oh, I'm so grateful.
You just put them in.
Well, a lot of times it's just the simplest solution.
Well,
isn't it?
that's to hope for, really, that it could be
I
a
think
simple
it's going to
one.
be. I think it's going to run really well. And there's those clips, the way that you install it, those are not coming out, are they? It's not like we should ever have to go back there and
It
clip
doesn't
back,
pop out.
clamp it back in there.
If it pop out, it will be when you pull out the unit.
Yeah,
That's when
so-
it comes out.
yeah, yeah.
Otherwise, it's not.
So it's good. We don't have to do anything. back
No,
there.
you don't have to do anything. Everything is already
Yeah,
slick.
that's great.
Would you like some coffee?
No, no, no. I don't drink coffee.
We don't do too much.
He's
We
a
do one
self-starter,
cup.
I can see
All
that.
we do is
That's
one cup.
fine.
Self-starter.
I don't know how people drink it all day long, and how their stomach can put up with it.
Motivation.
This is yours, right, Joe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
To the
you got-
garbage.
Mine was on
That's
the
right
page,
there.
Joe.
We put the lint stuff in there.
Oh, yeah, here.
What about if we were doing a mixed load of towels and shirts and things? Is
You
that
can mix them together.
do not just do towels and then do the regular
Towels
clothing?
separate.
What about light clothing versus heavy clothing? Does that not?
You can't mix light with heavy together. Otherwise, when you do that, when you put it in the dryer, it will come out now.
Yeah.
The light ones will dry faster, and when the sensor senses
Okay.
the dry ones quicker.
Okay.
I experienced that.
The
I
light
stopped
ones,
that.
yeah.
So
but
light clothing, heavy clothing, and towels separate.
separate. Yeah, you gotta do all of them separate, because when you put in them in the dryer, and whilst it's rotating and the light clothes comes in the front,
Yeah.
dryer goes to the back, the sensor will sense the light ones and the thing is
Okay.
done.
And
Cuts it off.
is it correct that you should be able to determine what is a full load? You should be able to put your hand
Put
to
your
the
hand
back.
to the back.
And if you can do that, then you're good.
That's fine. Yeah.
Right. So that load there is like what, 3/4 or
That's
something?
absolutely so. Yeah. This is good. Yeah, at least when they lift up, it separate them enough
Yeah.
to get more heat to the distribute.
Tumbling 11 to 5
Exactly.
is.
Is it wrong to put a small load in?
Let me-
If you do a small load?
That's fine.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
If it's small, let's say you put like 3, 4, 5 clothes, you gotta use the quick folding dryer.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's when you rotate and it goes towards the back and it doesn't feel the sensor, it doesn't
Oh.
rub it, it will cut it off.
Sure.
Yeah, because it's not
Identify.
sensing anything. So quick 40 bypass the sensor. So if I have like less clothes and it's go towards the back, don't worry about it because of the quick 40. You continue to run till the 40 minutes complete.
The only exception for that would be if you use the wool or delicate on the washer and you only had like two
Yeah.
or three things, then you
Yeah.
could do it.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
That makes sense, doesn't it?
All right. I just need some signature.
Sure. Can I use my finger?
Yeah,
for
you
this?
can.
Right
That's
here.
yeah. That's it. That's it. That's much better. All right. Do you have any more questions for me before I leave?
How'd you get so good?
For 5 years experience. You're really good. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a big help.
Okay.
Thank
You have
you
a
very
good
much.
weekend.
Yeah, y'all too. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Really, you did make our day.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're a good man.